welcome. In front of me is a OPPO A57s, and today I'll show you how you can record a screen on this phone. So to get started, let's pull down our notifications and extend the list of toggles. Hopefully one of the toggles here you can find will be the screen recording. But from what I can see, it's turned off by default, so we will need to press right here this little square with like a pen in it and let's look for a screen toggle. There we go, it's literally the last toggle you can see. So press on the plus, this gets added. Now when we go back, we can now see our toggle right here. So once you see it, you can hold it. This will quickly take you to the settings, and I do recommend checking them out first time around. This will give you just a glimpse of how it is set by default. And it looks like in terms of definition, we are running at 720p 8 megabits per second. I will set it to high just because I consider this to be a much better quality. 1080p is like what I would consider the bare minimum. It will look at least semi-decent on a bigger screen. And we also have frame rate. It is dynamic, but it's not like we have much choice right here. I'll just recommend copying it to 30. That's the highest it can go, and that is the bare minimum I would tell you that you want to record at. Don't go anywhere lower. And obviously other options right here are up to preference. So if you want, enable some of them or keep it as it is. And whenever you want to start recording, tap on a toggle, continue. This is only one time, or we need to agree to the terms of use and allow access to all these different things. It will bring up this little overlay right here. This will not be visible on screen recording. Select record. Come on. Oh, there we go. And as you can see, it's now recording, giving us a timer, how long it's been recording. And whatever you will do right now, obviously, will be recorded by the screen, or screen recorder more precisely. And once you're done with just recording your screen, interact with this overlay and then select the red square to save it. And this will get saved to your Photos or Photos application. And you can see it under Today, but you should also be able to locate it under Albums, and it looks like it's kept in screenshots and also videos. So as you can see, there's a screenshot, even though technically this isn't a screenshot. But when we press on it, you can simply play it back. So there we go. Now if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.